Hi friends, today we meet once again with another moral story. The story's name is The Laughing King. So we begin with The Laughing King. Once upon a time, there was a king. He lived in a beautiful palace, a huge palace, with his queen and a daughter, and of course he had lots of ministers around him. He had also a very beautiful garden, and every morning he used to roam around and enjoy the garden with all its flowers and trees and fruits. Now it happened that in the same garden there was a huge tree, a big tree, and there lived a witch named Christiana. She also came out from the tree, and she was also enjoying the fragrance of the flowers, watching the lotus in the lake, and hearing the gurgling of the water and the birds chirping, and she was enjoying thoroughly. Suddenly, without her notice, she slipped and fell into the lake, a small lake full of lotus flowers. And as she fell, she was hurt and she was covered with mud and water. Oh no, what have I done? And I'm extremely hurt. Hearing this, the king turned, and instead of feeling sorry for her, he started laughing. Ho ho ho, he, hoo hoo hoo. The witch became very angry and irritated. Why are you laughing? I'm hurt here, and you're laughing? And she cursed him. And with her magic spell, she cursed him with the words, Zoo swing sue. Immediately, the king started to laugh more. Her curse was that he would continue to laugh forever. His laughter would never stop. She said, as you laughed at me, now you continue to laugh forever. And after that, angrily she entered the tree and disappeared. The king was in a great confusion now, because his laughter was not stopping. He went to his palace and he saw his wife coming with a plate of freshly baked cakes and bread, muffins and other things. He wanted to carry the plate, but his wife, the queen, suggested, don't take the plate. You are already laughing so much and your hands are shivering. He said, no, I'm going to help you. And as he caught the plate, it fell. It fell, broke into pieces. The queen almost was in tears, and she said, oh no, my plate has broken, and all the hard work that I put for the bread and the cakes and the muffins, all gone. It is in a mess now. But the king did not listen to all these things. Instead, his laughter increased. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho, he, and he continued to laugh. The queen said, what has happened to you? You went in the garden and you were quite happy and normal, and now you are behaving in such a abnormal way. I am here worried and concerned about the cake and the plate that has broken, and you are going on laughing. Stop it. But the king said, I cannot stop. In the meantime, her daughter came and she said, Mom, don't worry. I'll clear up the mess. And as she was clearing up, her finger cut, and oh no, she got hurt. I have got hurt and it's paining. Again the king started laughing. Ho ho ho, he, hoo hoo hoo. The girl was also confused. Father, what has happened to you? Why are you laughing? I'm hurt here. Mother is hurt. and you are going on laughing. He said, "Dear daughter, I cannot help it." Then the next day, he called all the ministers, especially the wise ones, and in the court, he wanted a solution for his laughter. As they were discussing, his friend, another king, came there with a complaint. His complaint was all his fruits were being stolen from his garden, and he wanted a solution how to stop the theft. Hearing the complaint, the king again started laughing. Ho, 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 he, hoo, hoo, hoo. His friend became worried. What has happened to my friend, means the king. Why is he laughing? He's become absolutely abnormal. He's not the normal self which I saw him few days back. Then the king said, "My dear friend, I cannot help it. Today in the morning, the witch Christiana, she has cursed me with this magic spell, and I am supposed to go on laughing. I cannot stop it unless she stops." So they decided to go to the witch. "Christiana, come out and help the king." She came out from the tree, and the king said, "I ask for forgiveness. I am very sorry for what I have done. You were hurt, and I laughed at you. I made a mockery, and the same thing happened with my own queen, with my daughter, with my own friend. I'm really sorry. I have realized my mistake. Please take back your spell and forgive me. I'll never do it again. I promise you." Christiana said, "Okay, I'm going to give you another chance since you have realized your mistake. But this time, if you continue to tease someone, especially when they are hurt, then I'll never take back my curse." He said, "Okay, I promise you I'll never do it. I'm really sorry for what I've done. Please forgive me." Then she took out the spell and she chanted, "Zo swing su," and immediately the king stopped laughing. He became his normal self and was very happy, and happily he lived with his queen, daughter, ministers. His friend was also happy, and he thanked specially the witch. So you see, my friends, this story teaches us that we should never hurt someone, we should never tease a person, and we should never laugh when they are especially in trouble. So, remembering this, read and learn more moral stories, create your own stories with plenty of morals, and we'll be meeting soon again. So thank you once again.